If you are a UGC creator, you need to be creating content that converts. If you get that right, you're gonna get great results for your clients, you're gonna get case studies, you're gonna get bigger, better retainer deals with brands that you actually want to work with. But if you get it wrong and you can't create content that converts, you are going to struggle throughout this whole process. So in this video, I'm gonna be breaking down 7 UGC videos and showing you what's working, what's not working, and how you can improve your UGC overall. Now, before we jump in, all of these videos that I'm about to be showing were submitted by our Academy students. And our Academy is a group of content creators that are looking to scale their income with UGC, brand deals, digital, and affiliate products. Right now, we are giving away a ton of free bonuses, depending on when you're watching this video, for anyone that joins the Academy. I'm gonna leave a link below somewhere in the description to go check that out. All right, so let's jump on in. Video number 1, let's break it down.
Ever wished for a quick, ready-to-eat, high-protein breakfast? Then you've got to try Suppy's new overnight oats.
So let's break down that hook. The hook's just not very good overall. It just feels like I'm being sold to off the bat when it's just like, here's the product, here's the label, here's the ingredients. So I think we need a much more engaging visual hook, not just a close-up of what this product looks like.
These are the first ever functional overnight oats. There's no prep, no stress. All you have to do is add milk and you're good to go. They're made with 15 grams of plant protein, natural ingredients, and of course, no artificial flavors or sweeteners. Plus, they're infused with reishi mushrooms to help with immunity, gut health, and managing stress and anxiety. So don't miss out on the perfect start to your day. Grab a spoonful of these delicious overnight oats now and you can thank me later. So good.
All right, so I think we need to take a step back on this one and really figure out who is our target audience. Who are we trying to sell on this? Because it feels like we're kind of targeting 2 different people. We're targeting one group that's like, hey, do you want like a new like healthy type of breakfast? And we're basically trying to sell them on the idea of overnight oats. And then I feel like there's another potential of people who they already know what overnight oats are, right? Maybe they're like big overnight oat fans. And now we're trying to sell them on this idea of like this type of overnight oats that has like mushrooms in it, right? These functional mushrooms. I personally think that's what we should be focusing on. It's gonna be a little bit harder to try to sell overnight oats and then sell this type of overnight oats as opposed to we're just selling to people that already eat overnight oats and we're selling them on this like functional mushroom component. Now, if we go that route, I recommend switching up the hook to go something along the lines of, I can't believe I fell in love with this mushroom overnight oat. Something like that that's a little bit more eye-catching as opposed to, hey, are you looking for a new healthy breakfast where like it's super general? Let's really dive into like what it means to be the first functional overnight oats. Also, I felt like this video could have probably been 20 seconds as opposed to 40. Video number 2, let's check it out.
I've been wanting to add rebounding to my daily routine for a long time. So I was super excited when I got this trampoline from Leaps and Rebounds. It was so much easier to put together than I thought it was going to be, and it was actually kind of fun. A few minutes of rebounding every day can help with lymphatic drainage, as well as start strengthening your pelvic floor. I'm going to be posting about my journey with rebounding as part of my new morning routine. Send me any questions or things you want to know about it.
Video number 2, I felt like kind of had a similar problem to the first one. The hook is just not visual at all, and the whole video is just you unboxing and setting this thing up. I don't know, I didn't even know what rebounding was until I really saw you like put together this trampoline. I kind of put those pieces together. But the hook, I think, should definitely have you jumping on this thing as opposed to you unboxing it. I get it, you want to show the unboxing experience. You know, that might just be like the style they were looking for, but I didn't really put the puzzle pieces together till later on in the video. So I think you want to bring that, like you on the trampoline, bring that up towards the beginning a little bit more. Now, the other thing I think that this video got wrong is the overall focus. Like I felt like the focus of this video was, here's how easy it is to set this thing up. Here's the unboxing experience, where at the end of the day, no one really cares about that. What I think you should have focused on a little bit more is this whole like lymphatic draining system and like why that's important and how that's helpful, because that could be a reason why someone wants to purchase it. You really want to focus on why would someone buy this, right? What's the pain point that I'm solving with this product, as opposed to like, here's the experience setting it up. That part didn't really make too much sense for me. Numero trace, 3rd video. Let's check it out.
If you're looking to beat period cramps for good, then listen up. 90% of menstruating people experience disruptive systems every month. In fact, period pain is the leading cause of absenteeism for people under 30. So that means people are missing school, missing work, all due to their cycle.
All right, same feedback as the first two. The hook needs to be more visual. A lot of people, they're just scrolling. A lot of them don't even have the sound on. I felt like, about 5 to 6 seconds in when you were like walking over, hunched to the bed, that is a much better visual hook as opposed to just, the talking head style.
It's time to ditch the painkillers and start getting fast and long relief from cramps. And that's where Daylune Cramp Aid comes in. Cramp Aid has therapeutic doses of ginger and helps reduce inflammation in as little as 1 hour. Stop suffering with excruciating period pain and start getting the relief you need with Daylune's Cramp Aid. Click below to experience cramp relief with Daylune today.
Then after that hook, it seemed like what you started to do was ramble off certain facts about periods and period cramps, which I don't think it's really that powerful, just like stating these facts, right? It felt just like very salesy, very scripted, as opposed to you just talking to the camera like you're talking to a friend. Like you want someone to watch this and be like, oh, I feel her. Like I get that same pain. I know exactly what she's talking about. That's the experience that you want someone to have when they watch that video. Just kind of the language that we use here, like it just felt like a commercial almost. Like this product can reduce your inflammation in less than 1 hour. Just make it more natural, right? Pretend like you're talking to someone on the other side of the screen and you're telling them how good this thing is. The other thing I noticed with this small little tip, but the voiceover to me sounded a little bit fuzzy. It's almost like there was a little echo. Highly recommend when you're doing your voiceovers, it's kind of weird, but do them under a blanket, right? And you'll just see how much better those sound. Ad number 4, let's rip it.
I found the most perfect Bottega lookalike for my Europe vacation.
I was worried about not fitting in over there because I can't afford to spend thousands on a designer handbag.
But then I found Amara Ivy. It is literally the perfect accessory. The stitching is flawless and you can just feel the quality in the material. And it's perfect for fitting all of your essentials throughout the day.
And if you buy this bag now, you can save over $60 with free shipping.
All right, this is the best ad so far. This one's actually really good. So, handful of things that I like about this. First one is the text looks very native, right? It's something that you notice between this one and the other ones. This one, like, it just feels like kind of that TikTok style. I like the text that you used. Also, I liked how you changed up the angles and the formats as we went through the video. So it was like you with a voiceover showing like the bag and the outfit. Then it's, you green screen on their website. Then we're looking at a different angle afterwards. Then there's a really good call to action at the end. Then you're whispering, like you're changing up the tone. Super engaging the whole way through. Also, it was very condensed. You didn't draw this video out to where it's like 40, 50 seconds. So this one, best video so far. Hey, real quick, if you're a content creator and you're looking for brands to work with, you gotta check out Brands Meet Creators. We have over 100 brands on our platform right now that are looking for content creators like you to work with. The platform is completely free, we don't take any fees, and we connect you directly with the brand. The first platform truly designed for long-term partnerships between brands and content creators. Go check it out. We got tons of brands on the platform right now. Video number 5.
You know what's way more convenient than having to mix up your pre-workout every day? Grabbing a can of sparkling ice with caffeine. If you're looking for a delicious and super convenient way to power up your workouts, then you need to try sparkling ice with caffeine. I work out as soon as I wake up, so all I want to do is get out the door ASAP, and sparkling ice helps me do that. No more rummaging around for shaker cups. Sparkling ice is packed with all the right ingredients to fuel your body and keep you going strong. The blue raspberry is my absolute favorite. And it has 0 sugar, so you're not ruining all that hard work you're putting in at the gym. Now, go crush your workout and thank me later.
So the first thing that comes to mind with this one is it's way too long. This video could have been condensed down into 20 seconds, which will make their performance go way up. So we need to be thinking about watch time and the completion rate. For example, if you have a video that is 30 seconds, and on average, people watch 30 seconds of that video, meaning on average it gets 100% completion rate, it's going to do significantly better than a video that's 60 seconds that has a 30-second watch time. We want to be making this video as short and to the point as possible while still getting all of our points across. And I felt like this video almost went the opposite. We had like the little workout session also just tacked on to the end. You know, that's good to have those clips in there, but I would have used that earlier in the video and done like a voiceover. Another thing that the brand is probably gonna want is a close-up of the product or their logo a little bit earlier on in the video. This is something that brands really want because they want that branding, right? They want that awareness. And in this video, I don't think we had a close-up in this until about 30 seconds. So I try to get that close-up a little bit earlier on. The brand's gonna love that. All right, breakdown number 6.
If you're a new mom who lost her booty while you were pregnant, listen up. Here are my top 3 exercises to build back your booty at home. All of these can be done with a band. And don't forget that while you're working your booty, you're also working your pelvic floor. Give these a try.
Now, this one's definitely not an ad. This is an organic style video, which is perfectly fine, right? Some brands, they'll say, hey, we want video just to post right on our account. That's the organic style. This is definitely not your direct response, your ad. If it is, it needs to be switched up, but I'm gonna take this as it's just an organic style concept. Now, overall, I thought this one was pretty good. Love the hook. You were like very specific to new moms. That's awesome. One thing I thought you could have done was add some more engaging text on the screen. You have the captions in there, but maybe you want to name each one of the exercises as you're going through. Overall, pretty good, pretty straight to the point. Not too much feedback on this one. All right, the last video, numero 7. Let's break it down.
After an intense workout, my body craves rejuvenation, but so does my hair. Today, I am showing you my secret for restoring my hair's vitality. It glides on.
All right, I'm gonna pause it right there. I think it just needs a stronger hook. We've kind of had similar issues in some videos before. It doesn't grab the attention like it should. After an intense workout, my body craves rejuvenation, and so does my hair. Here's my secret to restoring my hair's vitality. There's a lot of words. It sounds a little salesy. Just talk like you're speaking to a friend, like you're telling your friend about this new hair product that you use. Something along the lines of, my hair feels disgusting after I work out. That is more to the point. You know, it gets the point across easier. Let's keep watching.
Effortlessly rescuing my hair from post-workout stress. Packed with the finest oils, it's a revitalizing treat for your locks every time. While you rinse, this magical product leaves your hair silky smooth. With the Lucetta Macadamia Argan Oil Hair Mask, my post-workout routine just got even better. Experience the transformation yourself, because your hair deserves nothing but the best.
Yeah, I kind of feel like I was watching an ad, and you never want to have that feeling. So if I were you, I'd go, you have this whole script written out. I would go scratch it up and say, hey, if I'm just talking to a friend, how would I say this? I want to tell a friend, hey, I found this new hair thing and it's so good for my post workouts. How would I say that? I would just rework it as if you're talking to a friend. Like, hey, my hair is disgusting after I finish my workouts, but I found this thing that it makes my hair just go right back to normal as if I didn't even work out that day. Here's what it's called. Feels way more authentic. Just talk to the camera like you're talking to a friend. That's how I would change this last one. I hope you guys got a ton of value out of this one. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Maybe you have a video that you want me to review. Drop it down in there. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.